Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the optical drive, if installed, base enclosure, battery, wireless module, USB board, subwoofer, fan, RJ45 door, system board, and display panel assembly. Removal: remove the two screw covers from the bottom corners of the display bezel. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the display bezel to the display enclosure. Carefully pry up the inside edges of the display bezel from the top, sides, and bottom to disengage it from the display enclosure. Caution: the display bezel is thin and the adhesive is strong. Use care when removing the top and bottom edges of the display bezel. Lift and remove the display bezel. Replacement: place the display bezel into position on the display enclosure. Apply pressure around the outside edges of the display bezel until it snaps onto the display enclosure. Note: ensure that the display bezel around the hinges is completely snapped into place. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the display bezel to the display enclosure. Replace the two screw covers into the bottom corners of the display bezel.